the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit or Holy Spirit is a person, part of the God. He's, as I mentioned, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. And we can have this relationship with the Holy Spirit. There's a lot of key scriptures that tells us about the Holy Spirit. And I'm just going to quickly run through a few. John 7, 37 to 39. John 4, verse 14. Isaiah 44, verse 3. There's a lot of them referring to the Holy Spirit as living water. And Jesus says, if you know me and the gift I give. So in other words, as we know Jesus, we receive this gift of the Holy Spirit. And the Holy Spirit comes and lives within us. Just let me give you a few characteristics of the Holy Spirit. The first one, helper or comforter. So when Jesus left, he sent the Holy Spirit to be our comforter and helper. I want to highlight something because we often feel alone in life. When you go through a difficult time, you tend to feel isolated. And then we do isolate ourselves. And then we feel like, I wish Jesus could just sit next to me. I can just have a conversation with him so he can tell me what to do. But this is what Jesus promised, that when he leaves, he will send the Holy Spirit, and the Holy Spirit comes, lives in us, and now we can turn to the Holy Spirit. So, Holy Spirit, I really don't know what to do.